Welcome to Rochester, where the local time is 10:52 p.m. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is turned off. You may continue to use and charge your phones and tablets. If you are seated in an exit row, do not plug your devices into the outlets. Don't forget to check your seat back pocket and the area around your seat. Ensure you have all your belongings, and be careful when opening overhead bins. Once you arrive at the gate, our airport team will be more than happy to answer any questions you may have. Your feedback is really important to us, so some of you will receive a survey asking about your experience in the United app. We'd love to hear how you enjoyed your flight with us today. On behalf of the entire team and our Star Alliance partners,